Hello, digital application students. I wanted to talk with you really quickly regarding the text formatting. There are three areas that I would like to highlight today. The first is style, the next is size, and the third is color. Each of these relates to the way the letters look on the page within your Google Doc. So let's begin, and first we will highlight a particular area of text. I've highlighted my name, Mr. Paxson, and we will go to the fonts, and we can change the font. In fact, the way that that font looks, we can change it here. So I can scroll through my list and I can find various ones that I like. Maybe I'll choose this one. You can see as you are looking at each one what they will look like on your screen. So I'm going to choose this one, and that's okay. I don't mind that one. Maybe I'll choose a different one to see what else it looks like. And I will choose, let's say, here. Okay, so it's a little bit fancier there. All right, so if I still can't find the one that I would like, I can click on that drop down once again, and I can actually click on this very top bar, More Fonts. Then I can choose from this list. I can sort various ones, or I could just scroll through the list of all of the fonts that are available through Google. And if I find one that I have that's already in my account, you can see that it's located and listed here by the blue check mark. However, if there is another one that I would like to add, let's see if I can find one that would be interesting to add. Let's go with Sacramento. I'm going to click on that, and then it automatically adds to my fonts list. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to go to Sacramento, and as soon as I do, you can see that it is changed just slightly. Okay, you can also change the size of each font. Right now, as I highlighted, you can see here that the font size is 16. I can click on the plus to increase that, or the minus to decrease it. Or if there was a particular number that I wanted to have, I can scroll through the list and find, or I can type in the number that I want. Maybe I would like to have 45.5, and that's what it gives me. There are three other things that you can do with these fonts. You can make them bold, you can italicize them, or you can use the underline for each one. I would also note that you can left align, center align, right align, and justify. We'll probably be using more of these later on in the Digital Apps course. At the moment, I'm just going to center align. Another thing that you can do with your fonts to choose to make a difference in how they appear, I'm going to highlight it once again, and I can change the color. So I'm going to click on the text color, and I can choose anything from this list. Choose a green, or maybe if I don't want that, I can choose a different one. And if I don't see any that I would like, I can click on Custom. And it gives me an option to use. I can scroll through here, and then I can also change the hue to make it look a little bit different as well. Change from light to dark. I'll note that if you go all the way up to the upper left, it's white, and the lower right, it is very dark or black. And choose one that you would like. I'm going to choose teal color, a darker teal color, and click OK. I'll also note as I go back to that, you can see that there is this hex code up top. So if you knew the hex code, now if you are not familiar with what a hex code is, I would strongly encourage you to get involved in our computer science program and we are able to explore what hex codes are along with how they relate to web design, web development. I'm going to choose my same one, click OK. Now, there are a lot of different font colors. In fact, there are 16,777,216 variances of colors available. You can use these to change your background color as well. So I'm going to highlight this once again, and then I can choose this paintbrush to change the highlight color. And maybe I would choose a yellow. I've highlighted it in yellow and kept the same font color. There are 16,777,216 variances of your highlight color as well. So there you have it, folks. You have observed the way that you can change your style, your size, and your color of the various fonts.